Hello guys, this is another video on the 5th gen 4Runner, and now just a little tutorial on, earlier I did another video on the brake pads. Now it's a little bit of the rotor itself, because it's actually it can be a little bit challenging if you don't have the tools to do it. So I have a small set of sockets right here. I had to use the 3/4, but the appropriate size is actually 19 millimeter, and this one is for these bolts right here. They are extremely tight. As you can see, I had to use this big long breaker bar, and I'm using the size 19 socket right here. Also, when you have your caliper off, you don't want it hanging all the way down, especially because you have this hard line right here. You don't want to bend it and break it, of course. So I'm gonna use one of these. I got these at Home Depot. These are flexible. You can tie them right here, that way your caliper's not hanging. So this one here is a size 12. It comes off right here. Here we go. And then for, I believe this is an ABS sensor right here, and this one is a size 10, and you're gonna pull it upward like this. It kind of goes to the side, so I'm gonna take it off and just leave it hanging there. This one's already removed. It still feels stiff because this is a stiff line, and once I pull off these two big bolts right here, this one and this one, then it's obviously gonna want to hang down here, but we're gonna tie it with these right here so it doesn't hang, so it doesn't bend. And then if you already went out and bought your rotors, you might want to be at the auto parts and size up these two bolts that will go right here. This will help you pop it off if it's already binded and seized into this knuckle here. Pardon me if it's the wrong part, but anyway, that'll help you pop it off. Or you can use a rubber mallet. If this one's already bad, use a hammer or whatever you have, but if it's still good and you just want to check it out, use a rubber mallet and it'll knock it off. And then obviously put in your new one, clean off the surface so there's no it doesn't come on crooked, or doesn't give you any issues, and you should be good to go. Watch my other video for the brake pads. I recorded one a few hours ago. It should already be on YouTube. So hope this helps you guys out. Again, this is for the 5th gen 4Runner. Mine in particular is a 2021 5th gen 4Runner Trail Edition, 4-wheel drive, obviously. So yeah, go ahead, use this video, save yourself some money, do it yourself. Enjoy.